The River Castle by RAV Global is a ritzy resort, one of its kind, and is being constructed at the Naimi Chardonnay, emerging with a motto to bring together your body, mind, and soul. We are creating a hideaway where you can rendezvous with your inner self, and this meeting will happen by connecting yourself with the 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. Once you are with us, you can be in constant, unparalleled comfort, along with the untold power of spirituality. You can explore your inner self by enjoying our luxurious hospitality and the tranquility of nature in an experience that is at once relaxing and thrilling. The River Castle has a plethora of activities, both indoor and outdoor, each designed with an element of nature in mind, to bring you to a heightened sense of being. You'll be spoiled for choice when it comes to the activities you can indulge in, each activity bringing you closer to earth, water, fire, air, and space. At the River Castle, you can engage yourself with our landscape, play at our fun zone, set off an adventure, indulge in self-care, interact with nature, enrich your intellect, titillate your taste buds, awaken your spirituality, or have a holistic, customized experience. We have everything you could ever ask for. Right now, in the beginning, Phase 1 is under construction. Phase 1 is on 21.43 acres, while the residential resort property is spread across 150 acres. Apart from that, 100 acres of an organic farm is also a part of the project. Hence, the total property of the River Castle is 250 plus acres. In Phase 1, we are developing cottages named Chalet Autumn, called so for their cozy yet opulent design, reminiscent of a holiday home in the jungle. The property will also boast of a restaurant called Pog Palace, a spa called Shant Chit, a huge public pool called Piscine, and a multiple outdoor sports facility called Zone de Jeux, along with stunning lush green landscapes and water bodies. Chalet Amarp is the first independent clusters of cottages on entering the River Castle. It will have 112 cottages spread over 15 acres. Each cottage in the Chalet Amarp will have a slew of luxurious amenities, including a swimming pool, a pantry equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, and bathrooms built for pleasure. The cottages will be surrounded by the lush green jungle alongside the Gompti River. The cottages are designed to not only give the privacy you are used to, but also the peace you need to unwind and wash away the cares of your everyday routine. So, if you're not in the mood to go anywhere or do anything, then just sit back in a lounge chair or float in your pool with a refreshing drink in hand. Pog Palace, our one-of-its-kind 700-plus seater restaurant, is the largest in the country and is expected to be the newest culinary hotspot at the River Castle Phase 1. Its aesthetic interiors are designed for enjoying your meals at leisure, whether indoors or al fresco. The heart of the sprawling restaurant is its high-tech kitchen, spreading over 12,000 square feet. Equipped with the latest in commercial kitchens, our chefs will whip up creative and delectable dishes customized to your dietary specifications. If you like thick shakes with your all-American dinners, then choose from the extensive menu of healthy drinks. If you want to go vegan, sip the refreshing water of a fresh coconut, or relish the freshly squeezed juice from a tropical orange homegrown in our very own orchards. The most innovative mixologists will stir and shake mocktails you won't be able to resist. So an evening spent at Pog Palace, sipping away at our signature drinks, will be an evening you're not likely to forget. Piscine is almost as large as 4 Olympic-sized swimming pools combined, coming in Phase 1 of the River Castle. Its vast crystal waters create a vista of tranquility so deep It has the power to draw you in no matter what mood you're in. Artistically designed to cascade in 3 tiers, Piscine will be beautified by an array of fountains along its edges, with its showstopper rising high into clear blue skies. Piscine is not just a part of our landscape. It's a playground for lovers of all types of water sports and games. Whether you like to swim laps and sluice through the water at breathtaking speed, poolside party, or enjoy team and group games, our mega pool is the place for you. You can jump into the water from the edge or dive in using our professionally designed diving boards. Either way, the deep, clear waters of Piscine will envelop you in their soothing calmness. If you're tired after a day of adventure around the river castle and want to relax your sore muscles, walk on over to Chalet, our extensive 50,000 square foot spa and wellness center located just a few steps from Piscine. Chalet is where you can opt for a variety of treatments, including massages, wellness therapies, and beauty packages, where we use science to enhance well-being and beauty. Chalet has healing therapies to take care of your stress-related aches and pains, where we provide not only rest, but also rehabilitation. Try our naturopathy options like Reiki, Sujok therapy, acupuncture, and acupressure, offered through certified and experienced practitioners. Chalet also offers various water therapies like aqua jogging and water aerobics to ensure a thorough rejuvenation of both body and mind. Zone des Jeux is our game and fun area, coming in Phase 1 of the River Castle, has every imaginable game and sports facility. The game zone includes games and activities for guests of all ages. For little ones, we have parks with innovative swings and slides, mazes, obstacle courses, bouncy castles, sand pits, and trampolines. Kids can also enjoy the camel and elephant rides if they're in the mood for some outdoor fun. We are equipped to offer go-karting at our world-class track and have carts for both kids and adults. If target practice excites you, then go for air gun shooting and archery at our Olympic-sized ranges. You can also enjoy paintball challenges, whether you're by yourself or in a group. For the fitness freak who likes to play to sweat, we have various options like tennis, table tennis, squash, and badminton, with synthetic courts designed and constructed to international standards. If you enjoy the water more, play water polo or water volleyball. But if you are an earth lover, then we also offer you world-class volleyball and handball courts. All these will be available from Phase 1 itself. When it has fully come to life, it will be a township of godly proportions. Welcome to the River Castle, a sanctuary that offers unmatched luxury in the lap of unspoiled nature.